Hi, by the end of this video, you will be able to convert this complex question into these simple equations and hence solve it very easily within few minutes. A few recommendations before we dive into examples. Don't go for shortcuts. They lead to unnecessary confusion. Stick to the basics. Improve your logic and solving speed by practicing more and more problems. Let's see the first example. Ram's age is 7 years. If we want to convert this sentence into equation, we take a variable r representing Ram's age. Means is equal to 7 years. Second example, let Ram's age be 6 years. This is very similar to the previous example. R is equal to 6. Third example, Ram's age is 2 times of Kishore. That means if we take age of Kishore and multiply it by 2, we get age of Ram. So Ram's age, which is R, means is equal to 2 times of. 2 times means 2, of means multiplication of Kishore's age. R is equal to 2 into K. Next example. Ram's age is 3 more than age of Kishore. So that means if we take age of Kishore K and add 3 to it, we get age of Ram. Ram's age R means is equal to 3 more than. More than means plus age of Kishore. The reference is age of Kishore. So you write it first. K more than means plus 3. Next example. Ram's age is 4 less than age of Kishore. So similar to previous example, but less than means minus. So here the reference is age of Kishore. Age of Kishore less than means minus 4. We get age of Ram. Please note that it is not 4 minus k, it is k minus 4. Age of Kishore is the reference and you subtract 4 from it. Next example. Ram's age is 3 times more than the age of Kishore. So here also age of Kishore is the reference. More than means plus is 3 times. 3 times means 3 into, again the reference is age of Kishore. So 3 times of age of Kishore. So 3 into k, we get age of Ram. Next example. Ram's age is 25% of age of Kishore. Here the reference is age of Kishore K. 25% is nothing but 25 by 100. Of means multiplication. Age of Kishore K. We get age of Ram. Next example. Ram's age is 25% more than the age of Kishore. More than has come. That means plus. Here the reference is age of Kishore K. More than means plus. 25% is nothing but 25 by 100. 25% of reference, which is nothing but age of Kishore. 25% of means multiplication K. And then we get the age of Ram. Here is a summary of whatever we have seen until now. Pause the video here if you would like to go through these. There is no need to remember these. As you practice more and more problems, these will become natural to you. Let's see the first question. A is 2 years older than B, who is twice as old as C. If the total ages of A, B and C be 27, then how old is B? So let's take the first part of the question. A is 2 years older than B. Here the reference is B. Older than is nothing but more than, that means plus 2. So A is equal to B plus 2. The next part of the question is B, who is twice as old as C. So this is nothing but age of C multiplied by 2, you get age of B. So B is equal to twice means 2, as old as nothing but multiplication C. The next part of the question is, if the total ages of A, B and C be 27, total of the ages, that means we have to add the ages of A, B and C. So that means A plus B plus C is equal to 27. Then how old is B? They are asking for B. Now, once you have formed these equations, solving them becomes easy. So now we need B. B is in this equation, but there is a variable A and also C. We know variable A from the first equation. So we simply substitute B plus 2 in this equation, and then C, value of C is B divided by 2 to get 27. If we solve this, we'll get value of B, which is the required answer.
Question 2. A and B together can complete 75% of a work in 33 days, while A, B and C together can complete the whole work in 26 days. If C is 12.5% more efficient than B, then find the time taken by A and C together to complete 70% of the work. We can solve time and work related problems using this simple formula. Productivity is equal to work divided by time. If we see the first sentence in this question, A and B together can complete 75% of the work in 33 days. We want this to be converted into this formula like this. So if A and B work together, their productivity adds up. The amount of work is 75% of the total work. If we say the total work is W, 75% of it is completed by A and B. 75% is nothing but 75 by 100 of the work, meaning multiplied by the work. So this completes the work part. Now the time is 33 days, so divided by 33. If we simplify this, we get this. A plus B is equal to W by 44. Now the next part of the question says A, B and C together can complete the whole work in 26 days. If we think in terms of this formula, productivity is A plus B plus C, since they are working together. The work is the complete work, so W. The time is 26 days. So we can write it like A plus B plus C is equal to W divided by 26. The next sentence is, if C is 12.5% more efficient than B, it is like more than, that means plus, the reference is B, so C is equal to B plus, because of more than, plus 12.5%. 12.5% is nothing but 12.5 by 100 of the reference, so multiplied by B. If we simplify it, we get C is equal to 9 by 8 of B. The last part of the question says, find the time taken by A and C together to complete 70% of the work. So again, if we think in terms of this formula, productivity is A plus C, since they are working together. Work is 70% of the total work, so that is 70% into the total work W. The time is X, since we have to find it. So A plus C is equal to 70% of the total work divided by time X. We have to solve for X. These equations can be solved by various techniques. For more on how to solve time and work related problems in the easiest way, you can check out the playlist linked in the description. Thank you.